Hi, this is Constance Valdez, and today I will be demonstrating how to measure and draw angles with a protractor. As you can see, I have two protractors here. I have a paper one that is very similar to the clear plastic ones that we use in schools. I will be measuring and drawing the angles with that. However, I also have this other protractor, and I will be using it to help me draw the lines because it is made of a more durable plastic. First, I'd like to review the types of angles. First, we have the right angle. Right angles always measure 90 degrees. Next, we have the obtuse angle, which always measures greater than or more than 90 degrees and less than 180. Here we have an acute angle. Acute angles measure less than 90 degrees. And here we are going to measure an acute angle, and I will demonstrate how to do that. You are going to line up the vertex right here with the point on the protractor at which the 90 degree angle intersects with the 0 degree line. And we are going to align that with this line on here. As you can see, I have used grid paper, graphing paper to help me. And I'm also going to align this line right here for the 180 degree line with this line right here. My bottom line is right here, aligning with the 0 degree line. And then I made sure that my vertex is aligned with this 90 degree line right here. So the top of my line, or the top of my angle right here, is lining up with, we have 140 here and 130 here, and right in the middle we have 135. However, this is an acute angle, and if we remember correctly, acute angles measure less than 90 degrees. So we're going to use this bottom measurement, which is between 40 and 50 degrees, on the 5 mark, so that makes 45 degrees. This acute angle measures 45 degrees. We are going to then move on to this obtuse angle to measure it. Using the same strategy as before, we align the center of the protractor with the vertex, and we align this line right here on the bottom with the 180 degree, 0 degree mark. And we are measuring the line, or measuring the angle As you can see, the top right here lines up with 70. However, obtuse angles measure above 90 degrees or greater than 90 degrees. So we are using this bottom measurement of the protractor, which is 110 degrees. So our obtuse angle measures 110 degrees. Finally, I'm going to demonstrate how to draw an angle that measures 37 degrees. And to do that, I'm going to place my protractor here. And since our angle is going to be acute, I don't have to worry about it taking up so much space. So I'm going to place my vertex right here. It doesn't really matter how long this is, as long as you can align it with the 180 and 0 degree mark. And we're going to place the center of the protractor over top of the vertex where it intersects with the 0 and 180 degree mark. And we're going to align our bottom line, or our bottom ray, with the 180 degree, 0 degree mark. And we are going to count up, starting on this side as we have been, 10, 20, 30, less than 40, move up here to this line, individually count backwards by 1, 2, 3. So this should be 37. 1, 2, 3. Very, very small lines requiring you to be exact. You can also count up to 1, 2 from the 35 degree mark, which can also be found between the 140 and 150 if you're looking at it from that side. So now we've made our mark, and I'm going to use this because it is harder and provides a better edge for me to press against. And there I have created my angle measuring 37 degrees. Thank you.